Think you need thousands of dollars or years of experience to start making money online? Think again. Today, I'm showing you step-by-step how to build a $100 per day side hustle using only free AI tools. First, pick a simple service that's always in demand, like writing blog articles, designing basic logos, or building one-page websites. I've listed a few examples for you to consider. Number 1. Content writing. You can have AI write blog posts, short stories, or even articles for you, and you can either provide this as a service for others or start a blog on your own. Number 2. Logo design. Ever thought of designing logos as a side job? Well, using AI, you can do just that. Simply input the information in the AI platform you choose, and you'll have clean and crisp logos to provide to potential customers. Number 3. Website setup. Setting up a website used to be a daunting task, not anymore. Using AI tools, you can create a modern and catchy website for your clients. Number 4. Fiverr or Upwork service listings. All you have to do is highlight some simple gigs that will pay between $50 to $300 and you're good to go. Next, use these free AI tools to do the heavy lifting for you. First up, ChatGPT-4 Turbo. This powerful AI tool will write articles, create social media posts, and even ad copy. Next, Durable.co. Using this AI tool, you can instantly create simple business websites. And last but not least, Canva Free. Using this one, you can create and design logos and graphics using readily available AI templates. Now, create 2 to 3 quick samples using these tools. This will build instant credibility even if you're brand new. Here's a tip for you. Use AI to generate a blog post, a website homepage, or a logo in less than an hour. With your samples ready, post your services on sites like Fiverr, Upwork, Freelancer, and even LinkedIn. LinkedIn isn't just for jobs posting and networking anymore. It's a powerful social media platform like Facebook and Instagram, only more professional. Check out this AI hack. Use AI to write your gig descriptions too. Just ask ChatGPT. To get your first client faster, don't wait. Go ahead and send outreach messages using AI-generated templates to businesses, startups, or solo entrepreneurs. Pay attention to this tip. Focus on offering a clear result like, "I'll create a full website in 1 day." With free AI tools and the right strategy, you can make $100 a day faster than ever. So why wait? Start right now. Which tool or service are you most excited to try? Drop it in the comments below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications because in the next video, I'll show you AI side hustles that can scale to $10,000 a month.